My name is Yuvraj Giri and this is the final dashboard that I have created from the healthcare dataset. As you can see, the dashboard have many charts, cardboards, which is presenting different data, different insights and different values. Let me explain you all the steps that I have done to create this beautiful dashboard. The first step is ETL step. ETL simply stand for extracting, transforming and loading the data. Extracting data through the CSV file, Excel workbook. In my case, I have a CSV file and I have extracted the data from that. After that, I have transformed the data. Transforming the data like removing unnecessary columns and correcting the data type. Let me take you to the Power Query and explain you there to get a clear understanding of data transforming. So let me click on the healthcare dataset. Now by clicking on the query edit, it will take us to the Power Query editor. This is the Power Query where I have transformed my data before extracting the data into the Power BI desktop. I have cleaned my data in MS Excel. You can see the original name is in this format. I have just corrected the name format in this new column name corrected. And also I have created a age range as you can see here. After data cleaning in MX Excel, I have just extracted the data in the Power BI, and as you can see on my right side, I have filtered rows, renamed column, removed column, and sorted rows, removed duplicates. These are the data transforming work I have done in Power Query, and this is the final dashboard that I have created after all the process that I have explained. As you can see, this is a healthcare dashboard and it has three filter: patient name, doctor name and test result. I have different charts and card. Let me explain you all step by step. First one is medical condition. As you can see, the hypertension have 9151 patient. Asthma have 9095 patient. Let's move on to next chart, that is age versus number of patient. The highest number of patient is in 41 to 60 age group, which is 16,338, and in the year 2020 there is high number of patient, that is 11,172. There is a 5 insurance provider and the high average for Blue Cross is 25,603. Likewise, you can see the average for all the other four, and this is the total billing amount, which is 1.40 billion. And in this multi-row card, I have created of patient details, and in this card we can see we have 55,000 number of patient. This is a fully dynamic dashboard. We can filter by simply clicking on the name of the patient or a doctor. Let me click on the patient name Aaron Adams. She has a medical condition, cancer. She falls onto the group of 21 to 40. Her age is 38. She admitted on her LLC hospital. Her room number is 363. She stayed for 19 days in the hospital. Her total bill amount is 26.05 thousand and she was admitted on year 2021. Now let me filter by one of the doctor's name. Let me search for the doctor name in my table randomly. I want to filter by Morgan Lewis. I go to the chart. I search for MORGN Morgan EWIS Lewis, and if I click on the Morgan Lewis, all the charts has been updated, and we can see he had treated two patients under the medical condition cancer. One falls on the group from 61 to 80 years old, and the another falls under the group of 41 to 60 years old. And the patient details are in this card. The first patient is David Nelson, age 57, field camp is his hospital, and 327 is his room number, and he stayed in hospital for 5 days. And the next patient is David Nelson, age 62, his hospital is also same, and with the same room number he stayed in hospital for 5 days. Both the patient have almost similar details except the age is different. The both patients are admitted on 2023